This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to add an image to your widget sidebar. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go down to Appearance and then go to Widgets. And once you're in Widgets, you're going to see all the different sidebars that you may have. So I have a main sidebar, project, footer, left, middle, and right. And what you're going to want to do is locate the image widget right here. As you can see, I can add this to whatever sidebar I want. So I'm going to click Add to Main Sidebar. And you can see that it's added the image to the sidebar. So now all I have to do is click Add Image, add the image that I want, add a title if you want, and you can also link to it if you want. If you want to add a link to it, say it goes to a different page or a post, etc., you can add a link right here and then just simply click Save. And there you go. That is how you add an image to a sidebar in WordPress. Hope that helps and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.